Hi guys, so today we will be doing the cross of recessive epistasis. So as we have taken the example of the onion bulb, so we will be doing it with the same example in this case. So according to the same principles with which we do genetic dihybrid crosses, we will take a homozygous dominant and a homozygous recessive for the parents, right? So we will take a red bulb such that they have a genotypic composition of capital I, capital I, capital R, and a white bulb so that they have a genetic composition of YI small r, right? And we will get an F1. This F1 then becomes an hybrid. It becomes a complete heterozygote. So in this case, you get a heterozygous red bulb giving onion. You will then, obviously for F2, you will do selfing of F1. So when we self F1, we get this particular 16 outputs, right? So if you look at these outputs and if you remember the genotypes that I had told you from the last video, then anything with a small I, because then it becomes recessively epistatic, will give you, doesn't matter what the R is, will give you a white bulb, whereas anything with a capital I or capital one copy of capital I even will then follow whatever the R is saying it to do. So if it is a capital R, capital R, capital R, small r composition, then red, small r, then a yellow, correct? So in this case, clearly we have 4 cases which will be white, has to be white, because there are double homozygous conditions of the I gene. And then coming here, all of these where there is a capital I and a capital R present, all of these would then become what? Would then become reds. So let's mark them R for red. And you have 3 which has one capital I and one small r. So these 3 would then become the recessive yellows, correct? So if I were to figure out the ratio, the genotypic and the phenotypic ratio, the genotypic ratio again, because if it is a dihybrid cross, we don't go into that detail. For the phenotypic ratio, then we will get 3 possible outcomes: red, yellow and white. And for the ratios, we would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You would get 9 reds, 3 yellows and 4 whites, correct? So that would be the cross for the recessive epistasis. I hope it was clear. Thank you.